Run! Run!
Well, we're in the clown. It's even better. It's
Whoa! 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 Oh! I went to the right. I don't like that. I don't like. Oh! I swear to God, those things start moving and they act like weeping angels. Oh! I'm gonna kill myself, bro. This place is actually creepy as hell. I'm not gonna lie to you. I hate this. There's eyes. There are eyeballs over here.
Hello there.
I found another ticket.
They moved.
Yeah, I hear them.
Just a dead end room.
Alright, who? Alright, Jordan, why are we sending the black man first?
Because it's a smart thing to do.
I
I
don't
can go
think
first
so.
if you want.
Are you the black man?
No.
Oh, okay, word.
He's got long ass
Oh.
legs, dude.
Hello.
Audience
Oh, no.
participation time.
Oh, there's voice acting.
Oh. Audience participation time.
Oh!
Oh, coins.
Cool fortune teller machine. I
Get the
like
coin to
that.
the...
Get more to the fortune teller.
Do I need more
Okay.
coins? I'm confused.
Probably.
It
Probably.
dropped the battery, I think.
No, that was me. I put down the battery to pick up the coin.
You will soon see some
I found a ticket back here.
cannot be
For crowds with a
unseen.
grin while something kept growing within. A whisper of thought, a lesson well taught, that sometimes the broken ones win.
Azazel is watching you.
Oh, well, your mom is watching you. So, what would happen if I dropped the music box now?
I don't know.
I
I don't know.
swear to God, I swear.
We haven't gone down
Oh,
this hallway.
fuck.
I'm gonna drop.
Wait.
No, we did go down there.
Back, really? To the left?
Oh, this
Here,
fence?
Nope.
Oh, we're not allowing that to happen.
I want to know what happened.
Oh, sorry.
Me too. I'm curious.
Oh, there we go.
Oh!
They're bombs. Okay. That explains it.
Here.
Alright, so who's dropping in first? Kiana?
No.
I can go in. I don't care.
Okay.
Another key.
Oh, look, another key.
Sweet.
In the workshop. B.
Open.
Here we go.
Oh!
What the fuck? Okay.
Oh. Wait, was that not one of the monkeys?
No, that was a
No,
kid.
It was a little doll like this. A little doll like this one. It was running around.
Oh! Idea! Maybe that's what we have to catch and blow up with the music box. You have to drop
He's
it.
running away. He's running away.
Hold on, wait, chill.
There you go, back up. Back up.
It's gonna blow him up. We're learning. I took damage from that.
Oh, and then you get that.
Hey, I was thinking you were too close.
Oh, it's moving still. Whoa? Hello?
Oh, wait. Does it go get, like, the heads from the other dolls?
Oh, maybe.
No,
Oh,
it's just when you
shit.
can't tell what's going on anymore.
No, it might grab the heads to the other dolls if we're not fast enough picking them up.
Alright, there you go.
Back up, Tom.
Back up.
Back. Top.
Sorry.
Another one.
Okay.
There's a coin on the floor right there, yeah.
So the
Oh,
coin
I can put
opens.
the head in here.
And where?
Why?
The coin, guys, the coin opens it, and then you put the head in.
You will soon eyes plucked out like ripe cherries.
I mean, keep doing that.
Oh my god. Oh my.
Didn't stand a chance.
Okay, we gotta go get the other coins. Let's go, guys. Guys, put it in the head. Someone put it in the head. Key, put it in your head. Key.
Oh, I got a head I can put in. Oh, never mind.
Don't be, it's always a pretty one.
Tim! Oh! Run! Okay.
I got a coin.
You got a coin?
I got a coin.
Is he still here?
I will comment there.
Who got? He has flames!
Whoa. That's awesome.
Okay.
Gotcha.
I don't know where everybody else is. I just came to come rescue you.
Little dude right here. I also dropped the head I had.
Oh! Fuck off, dude. Fuck off, dude. Run!
I'm running.
I don't know where to go. Oh, this is the beginning. Leave me alone! Leave me alone! No means no! Ah! Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god.
It's like a frog.
Same. I see the kid.
There he is.
Back up. Everybody back up. You scared the fuck out of me, Tim. Stop that. Where?
Yeah, they get bored, right?
Ah! Ah, he got a key. I'm just gonna... I can't close the door. So like, right? Are we fucked? I might just turn off the light. Oh yeah, turning off the light sometimes works too. Fuck off! Nice. Who died? We need to see if someone died with a head. Two for one packet! Run! Ah! This is dead. To the left, go to the left. Yo, these monkeys are everywhere! Stop pumping me! I don't have the battery for this!
Help me!
Stop! Stop! There's too many! He dropped back down here. You can turn your light back on.
Yeah, I know. Give me a second first.
Tim. I found one.
When you try your best, but you don't succeed.
This motherfucker, bro. So how are y'all today? Did she just get got by the monkey? She got got by monkeys.
I could not.
You got got by monkeys? Oh my god! Why?
My show is really taking off.
This is pain. This is pain. We got so close. Alright guys, we're going back for a second run. I believe in us. And here comes Tim. Sweet. Look at that. We got 12 boxes. Okay.
Boxes, do we have all 10 coins?
Yes, and we got 5 med kits.
Alright.
I think we're in pretty good condition. Everybody grab a music box. So okay, so yeah, let's just start the 4.
Always the big one.
Drop it in. Oh, motherfucker! Your mama! Aha! Who do you get? Turn off your light. Crouch and turn off your light. He's here. He's here. I don't think this is a good hiding spot. Oh! Fuck off!
Here comes the punchline.
Little nigga, come take this. Nothing on this ass, bitch. Kaboom! No? Yeah, there. There's too much going on. There's too much going on. I couldn't handle all of that. I couldn't handle all of that. Damn. 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 Oh, we're against the wall this time. I might even just turn this stream into a YouTube video.
Yeah, that'd be cool.
Yeah.
I'd like, comment, and subscribe.
You know what?
Yeah.
Thank you. You heard them, guys. Like, comment, and subscribe.
Tell that to count.
Don't forget to ring that bell.
I appreciate you guys joining me on this side of the galaxy. You already know what to do. Subscribe, like, follow me on all my socials. Share with your mom. Share with your dad. Share with your grandpa. Share with your uncle, cousin, creepy neighbor. Maybe your uncle and your neighbor can watch it together. Who knows? Either way, y'all have a good night. Peace.